have you ever wondered, will our sun actually burn up? What happens when it reaches the end of its life? Today we're diving into the fascinating future of our very own star. Our sun is about 4.6 billion years old, and it's currently in a stable phase of its life cycle known as the main sequence. Right now it burns hydrogen at its core, turning it into helium through nuclear fusion. This process creates the incredible energy that powers the sun and gives us light and warmth. But like all stars, the sun isn't immortal. So will the sun burn out like a fire running out of fuel? Well, not exactly. In around 5 billion years, the sun will run low on hydrogen in its core. When that happens, the sun will begin a dramatic transformation, but not in the way you might think. Instead of just burning out, the sun will swell up, becoming a red giant. During this phase, the sun's outer layers will expand beyond the orbits of Mercury and Venus. Earth could even be engulfed in this vast fiery atmosphere. The sun will be much cooler on its surface, but thousands of times larger. After the red giant stage, the sun will lose its outer layers, shedding them into space in what's known as a planetary nebula, a stunning cloud of gas and dust. What's left behind will be the core of the sun, which will shrink down into a white dwarf. A white dwarf is incredibly dense and slowly cools over time. It no longer has the nuclear reactions that produce energy, so it won't shine as brightly. It will gradually fade, eventually becoming a cold, dark remnant called a black dwarf. But this process takes so long that no white dwarf in the universe has cooled enough to become one yet. So will the sun burn out? Not exactly. It won't just flicker away, but it will go through a series of dramatic changes, from a fiery red giant to a dim, cooling white dwarf. While it's fascinating to think about the far future of our sun, we can rest easy knowing that we have billions of years before these changes even begin. And during that time, who knows what new discoveries we'll make about stars, our universe, and beyond. If you enjoyed this dive into the future of our sun, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more cosmic wonders, and let me know in the comments, what other space mysteries would you like us to explore? Until next time, keep looking up.